Amanda Argametta, who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 11474W for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on December 6, 2022 for a period of 3 years. Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. State.
Violated condition number 1 on or about the 23rd day of March 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Amanda Argametta.
Argumento.
Okay, I can't say that. Committed the offense of theft, 2,500 to 30,000 vehicle in violation condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections to the
Go ahead.
waivers?
What we're asking.
No. Any objections to the waivers?
No.
All right. Ms. Argametta, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years into the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
No, there is not, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
Revocation, Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, there was an agreement in that they were going to TIC and dismiss the new charge.
That is correct.
She is requesting the court to allow her to stay on probation. Whoops, I can't get around here.
Mhm.
With 4 documents, there are certificates of classes she's attended while she's been in the jail.
Any objections to the court reviewing this?
No, Your Honor. The state has reviewed those.
Okay.
As we said earlier, Your Honor, this young lady had been evaluated for competency, was found competent. She wants to stay on probation, and what she would like to do is have you put her in outpatient treatment. At the same time, I've advised her that if you do keep her on probation, that there is a high probability that there would be residential drug treatment. As you can see, she's taken some anger management classes, and the AA classes, and I don't understand what the other one is. It looks like it's a dignity class for women, and I don't know what the basis for that was.
All right, probation.
Probation recommendation is to revoke due to the new felony offense, and she absconded with non-compliance.
All right, Ms. Argametta, is there anything you wish to say?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
My name is Amanda Argamento, and I would like to have a second chance on probation. I will attend the classes. I will go to everything. I was still on my drug problems like then, but I'm completely done with it. The thought of drugs, like I do not even want to think of it. Makes me want to puke. Like just thinking back and hearing my kid's voice, my daughter's voice. My kid's dad is willing on getting back with me, getting the family back together, and I just really want to go back to that.
How old are your children?
3 and 4, ma'am.
All right, and who's taking care of them?
Their father.
All right, so were your parental rights terminated?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So you just dropped them off with the father?
I decided to leave when I was on drugs, and yes, I was really bad on them, but I did stop.
All right. So what have you done on probation other than pick up new cases?
I did not attend because I was just.
No, I mean, have you done anything?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else from either side? Any other questions?
Not from the state, Your Honor.
All right. You have a question?
Why should the judge believe that you're going to do what you have said you're going to do and that you didn't do last time?
Because I'm really committed to it. I'm honestly, and I apologize for not going to my probation and everything. Like, I apologize. I'm really committed to completing it this time.
And why did the previous attorney have you evaluated for competency?
And we didn't talk about the case, right? And
Okay. And you're not on any medication now in the jail?
No, sir.
No other questions, Your Honor?
All right. Any questions from the state?
No, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting? I know you're requesting revocation. The court is going to grant the motion. The court is going to find you guilty, and the court will not grant you community supervision. State, how much time are you asking for?
The state was requesting 12 months in the state jail facility, Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, she currently has 116 days in Bear County Jail on this case, and we're asking the court to grant her a request for 6-month sentence.
All right. If you want, at the state jail facility, they do have a therapeutic community, and that does not increase the time that you have been in custody. If I were to sentence you to 6 months or 12 months or 18 months, that will still be your sentence. And therapeutic community is just there to help you. Would you like that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. Ask that you be placed in the therapeutic community. You're still going to have to request it. Do you understand?
Yes.
Give you credit for any time served. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. So, Ms. Argumento, I always review everything. And when you were placed on deferred adjudication, and here there were several cases that were taken in consideration. And so the only thing that you've done since you were on probation with me was pick up another theft case, and you're on probation for unauthorized use. You're going to have to make a decision on what you want to do with the rest of your life.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do not, when you get out, go running to be with your children, because at this point in stage, you haven't been a mother to them, and you can't go running on their doorstep, creating chaos and upheaval. If you get your life together, you can probably slowly enter their life. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. 2023 CR 3139, State of Texas versus Cynthia Nicole Cabello. Should I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Mitchell to the state.
Defense? All right, and are you Miss Cabello?
Yes.
Am I pronouncing your last name right?
Yes.
Thank you. The double L's always throw me off. Counsel, have you received all the discovery, and did you review it with your client?
I have them.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Cabello, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Well, Your Honor, there should also be, we filed a written motion to amend for it to add a count 2, criminal mischief.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Cabello, do you understand that the state is asking that the indictment be amended to add a count 2, which is a criminal mischief count? Did you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that's a substantive change to the indictment?
Yes.
And did you understand your attorney has 10 days to prepare for trial with that substantive change? Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed?
Yes, Your
And defense, do you still wish to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then the court will sign the motion to amend the indictment. Ms. Cabello, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're being charged with the offense of criminal mischief, $2,500 to $30,000? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
That will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
If the court would allow us, yes, please.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, this is her first ever criminal offense. She was going through a very bad time with mental health breakdown, and she's doing much better. She's compliant on her medication. She's doing very well. Judge is working again.
All right. Ms. Cabello, how long had you known Mr. Ramirez?
7 years.
Did you all ever live together?
No, Your Honor.
Do you all have any children together?
No, Your Honor. We had keys to each other's houses and stayed with each other, but never officially lived together. And that was for 5 years.
All right. And how old are you?
39,
And how old is he?
43.
Do you all have any property together?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And do you have a mental health diagnosis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh.
Multiple.
And what is it?
I have multiple. I've got anxiety, major depressive disorder, adjustment disorder, PTSD, personality disorder. Mm,
And are you seeing a doctor?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a weekly therapy sessions.
And who is your doctor?
It just changed. His name is Michael something. I'd have to check on my phone.
All right.
She's treating through the UT health system.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. Restitution, if any, to Ernest Ramirez. No contact with Ernest Ramirez or his residence or employment. So if you see him walking down the street, you need to cross the street, go back the other way. You understand? Zero contact. As far as this court is concerned, your relationship is over with him. If you have contact with him, you're looking at potentially going to prison, the state jail facility, for 2 years. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to, if I may clarify one issue in regards to place of employment. He is an officer with the UT Health Science Center police force. She used to be a dispatcher there. She is treating through the UT Health Science Center and has been for like over 10 years. Is that right?
Yes.
And her daughter is also treating at the same, through the same.
I mean, she'll allow to be there for treatment, but if it's not her day for treatment, she's not to be there.
I just wanted to clarify that so the court would know that she will be going there for treatment. She doesn't go to the police department or anything like that, but there's no way to tell where he will be on any given day at any given time.
All right. So are you employed or no?
I'm employed now. Yes, ma'am.
All right, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors.
I work in a pediatrician office,
Doing what?
Front desk.
the front desk.
Oh, see, when I say no employment as a home health care with minors, what I mean by that is, yes, it's okay for you to check them in, but you're not to watch them. You're not to act as a daycare. You're not to be one-on-one with them.
Yes.
So when their parents bring them in, you're just signing them in. You're not giving them shots or anything of that nature. You understand?
Yes.
All right. Are there any drug issues?
No, you're not at all. It's all prescribed medications.
All right. Probation, we'll still do a TAP evaluation. If they recommend inpatient treatment, we'll start with outpatient treatment
Thank you.
and sober support meetings. And we'll do a MIC referral. 200 hours of community service restitution. She is to continue with mental health treatment through her provider. And the exception to contact with the complainant is only if she has a medical appointment. Since they're both at the same location. But even if you have a medical appointment, I don't see how you would have contact with him.
It happened once where they were both on the same floor at one of the facilities and they crossed each other. They did not speak.
Okay. Probation, is there anything else she needs? We'll do field visits one time per month for 3 months. And probation, if everything is fine after that, you can do field visits as you see fit. And there'll be regular reporting, of course, by Zoom or in person. And regular UAs. And with the UAs, if you want to do that by a patch, you can. I think the patch is probably going to come up positive depending on what medication she's on.
She's on a number of them. But
So just make sure that you give probation all of your prescription medications so they'll know.
Yes, sir.
Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. So I'm very serious about you having no contact with him outside of if you all accidentally bump into each other when you're have your medical appointments.
Yes, sir.
I understand. Sometimes people get caught up in love. Sometimes you're in a relationship and people are like, I don't want you. And then it's like, okay, let's try this again. I want you now. This relationship is over. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. And this court communication is key. So if there's an issue, let probation know. If you feel as though probation is not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.